I'm Melissa Town. I'm Phil Town's wife and the CEO of Rule One Investing. You know, one of the things that I've really enjoyed when I started learning Rule One Investing, I did come from the financial background, and I got really disillusioned with the financial industries at that level, you know. And I'm like, these are their best clients. These are very savvy clients, but are very busy and didn't have time, you know, maybe to do their own investing. So when I started learning, you know, when I met Phil and I started learning about Rule One Investing, I'm like, this is the way it should be done. Whether you're an individual investor or you're working for a firm, right? You should have the best interests of your client in mind in this way, which is what you are as a fiduciary. So when Phil really started teaching, hey, you don't need the dog and pony show, guys. You can do this on your own. I'm like, that's where I want to be. That's where I want to be right there. So we started Rule One Investing, the company, the education company, together. And it's been one of the most rewarding things that I have ever done in my professional life. I really now, after doing this for so many years, I like to see how people walk in on day one. I like to see their body position and the look on their faces, you know, the way they're breathing, and this knowledge that Phil and the Rule One team is imparting to them, right? That has come from the masters, right? Ben Graham, Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, and it's just imparting to them. And it makes so much sense to them, right? And then they come in one way and they are leaving on Sunday afternoon. I mean, they're like pepping their step and they're like, we got this, you know? And they're like, when can we talk to you again? You know, what's next? You know, so it's really cool to see that transformation in everyone. And really what that says is confidence and how you can be independent of relying on anyone else, whether it's your employer, you know, your job, the government. You don't have to rely on these other people for your financial security. You can totally do this. You can come in the shallow end and be successful, or you can jump into the deep end and be successful. At any level, you can be successful with Rule One Investing.